I represent the negative team's second rebuttal, and I would like to strengthen our points with a few new details. But before I get into our own reasons, we want to rebut some of the points that are made by the opposition. One of the points they made was that the cameras could be updated quickly with the technology advancing. However, updating the cameras would mean it would be more expensive. Updating them would mean pulling the old cameras out and putting in better cameras, which is a subject of more maintenance, which might detract from its efficiency. Also, we said it was very ineffectual for, also, the 3% decrease in London, maybe we weren't that clear on that point, but we were saying that even though London has one of the highest rates of surveillance cameras in the whole world, in the whole of Europe, there has been only a small amount of the decrease in crime in London. And now let us move on to our own points. For one thing, in a lot of places in America, police department, the police officers who are watching the screens cannot watch the footages real time, nor can they actually maneuver the cameras around for a better view. This really subtracts from the effectiveness of surveillance cameras, because even if there's a surveillance camera, there's always a place near it where it can't be sighted, where it can't see. That means that the people can actually commit crime even if they're right underneath a surveillance camera. I would like to clarify one of our examples about walking. It was actually supposed to be speeding. There are speed limit cameras on the roads, and those can be also considered crime cameras because it catches the crime of speeding illegally on the road. However, if you've noticed, people, when they go near the cameras, they go slower. However, once they pass the cameras, they'll go, well, quicker, which strengthens our point that it only shifts the area of a crime. Also, the effectiveness of the camera is also limited, because if you have ever seen the surveillance cameras of, well, apartments or any other public facility, when it's 9 screens, usually 9 screens are jammed on a screen, which will detract from visibility of crime. Furthermore, those 9 screens aren't there forever. They flick onto another 9 screens from time to time. And imagine if while they're watching another 9 screens, a person in another area could commit a crime. And I think that brings an end to my speech. Thank you for listening.
All right, 4 minutes. Good.